Anyway, let's start. Myself is I will introduce myself. Myself is civil engineer Yasser Al-Mut'ab. I am graduated 1987. 1987. How many years now you are civil engineer? Almost around 35 years. 35 years. Okay. I am BMB certified and grade A UPDA, and I have quality management system, internal audit certified, and some KDA courses I already have. We are going to meet, inshallah, for almost around 30 hours from today until we end the course. Let me start for Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Why you are here, guys? Why you are here? Exam preparation. Okay. What else? Only? You came here only for the exam? Only for the exam? Education knowledge. Right. What are you doing now? Now, what we are doing now? This is it's better to say that you already have. There should be what I have objective. I have objective to pass the exam, so I am here. What? Why you are here? Because you have objective. All of us, we have objective or not? Correct? What is your objective? What is your objectives? Pass. What else? Only pass the exam. Exam. Yes, absolutely. We are here because we have to cross the, if even without coming to Green International, you can cross this bridge and passing the exam without Green International. You can. You can 100%. How? If even without refreshing. Even.
I haven't cleared my engineer. I am old enough.
Me too. I was enough.
I have site engineers. They are fresh graduate. They pass from first time.
Okay.
When they come, when graduate, the yes, everything academic. Academic, fresh knowledge.
Okay.
From the first time.
Perfect. Without any preparation. It's depend about what?
They have the information is still fresh.
Yes, knowledge is. Okay, perfect. I would like to open the discussion now before we go through the introduction. Today we have introduction. Perfect. Okay. For myself, I attend the exam 2014. 14 July 2014. I passed the exam without any, but I put some data analysis. I did some data analysis. Today we are going to have such analysis today together. So by this analysis, you can mindset, you can adjust, oriented your mindset, can make mindset a plan for what I am going to do through what? Through this trip. You have objective to cross the exam from first attempt. This is your objective. What you are going to do now is apart from your plan to come here. So you came here. This is apart from your planning to cross the bridge, correct or not? So we are here. How you are going to monitor and control your objective? Your objective is to get the exam done from the first attempt. So how you are going to monitor and control this objective? Numbers. We'll see now. We'll see numbers. We'll see. Number, yes, we'll see now. Numbers, with numbers. With numbers. Now, let us see. Still we have what? We have 5 number questions. We have to answer them. Number 1. This is an introduction. Tomorrow, inshallah, I will share all the slides for all of you in our WhatsApp so you can have PDF file. Okay. I introduced myself already now. You have my phone number in our WhatsApp group. You have the free to contact my personal WhatsApp or in the group. Let us start now. Let us go for our January. Okay. First, Mr. Green, go ahead. Let me answer me this type of questions, please. What is UPDA stand for? Stand for and security approval and developing securities. Okay, type. What is UPDA for? What is UPDA for? Why there is UPDA? Why there is? Why there is UPDA? What is your competency? What is your strategy to, what is the strategy to be UPDA certified from first attempt? Let us go for number 1. Urban planning and developing securities. Why? Why? Qatar is what? Qatar is developing country or already developed? Developing country. Still not yet developed. Right? No, it's not 100%. So now Qatar have a vision or a plan? Or dream? I am asking. Qatar have vision or plan or dream to develop their countries? What we have? Let us see. Vision. Vision, it's without plan. It's like what? Vision and is what? Vision, it's a dream. Yes, vision without plan is a dream, correct? Where we are, بقى, in the vision or in the plan or in the dream? We are civil engineer. I introduce myself. That's anyone mechanical here? No. We are civil engineer, correct? Where we are in the plan, wala vision, wala in the dream? In the vision? In the plan. We are in the plan. Qatar have vision? Yes, they have vision. To have vision come true, you have to plan for something, huh? Plan for a lot of areas, a lot of sectors, and sectors, educational sectors, medical sectors. Developing that. Who's developing? Who's built? Who's building? Engineers, civil, mechanical, whatever. We are engineers. We are building, correct? So apart from the plan, which part? They need to make sure that we are engineers. Very simple. صح ولا لا? Correct? Why we are going to forego for this such exam? Why? Now, by the way, how many number of questions you are going to have? صباح full. How many? No, that's why I told you. You can cross them. You can pass the exam without what? I will make it easy for you. Don't worry. Okay, that's why. It's a number, 20 number questions and the problems. Okay, if 27, how many minutes you are going to exam? How many hours? 60 minutes. Oh, the answering rate. What is the answering rate? 60? 6 by 27. You have 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You're answering rate for every problem. And the question is what? Is number. I told you from a while ago, let us have some numbers. So if you have such data analysis at home, and collect the information, you are collecting information now. Now you are here. You are here collecting information now. Until the end of the course, you are collecting information. Correct or not? Sir? Okay, it's 27 number problems. And the question, your score is what? Yeah, your score. Soft. Your score is what? Yeah, your score is 14 over 27. Means what? 52%. Type. Did you notice something? Is 7 number problems and the questions and the answering rate 2 minutes 15 seconds. What type of question? Type. Hell, all type. I am agree with you. Slope and deflection with moment distribution or influence line to solve the problem, giving you a problem, statically terminate 6 degrees and ask you to solve it in 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Logic? Logic? No. We will see. I am just open your mind now. Just
Fresh graduate, you can do it.
in 2 minutes 15 seconds. You are a genius, yeah, man. I like. Yeah, perfect. That's okay.
Since we are taking more exam,
Ah.
very tough exam, we try to.
You will do it from the first attempt. I am telling you from your eyes.
Hopefully.
You will. Okay, let us come back again. This is what is urban planning, because Qatar have vision. We discussed about that. A vision without a plan is just a dream. We already discussed about this one. Let us go for the second one. What is UPDA for? Is to determine if he or she have the competency to work in Qatar as an engineer, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And have what? A question mark. Please choose the correct answer below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me answer. E. T. What is the probability to get exam questions correct from the first attempt? طيب حلو قوي. All of you agreed about that? صح؟ في some doubt here. Some engineer have doubt. I as well. Some engineer, go ahead. Some engineer will go for A and some for all above. I believe some have all above here, correct? صح? Correct? Just from few minutes back, he said that the French engineer the exam done, finished, but the second, which is you have more experience, different. So what? Our experience, we have a fresh engineer, senior engineer in the same hall. 27 number of problems and the question, 27 number of problems and question, the same from server. Maybe number 1 here is number 27 here. And this senior is failed and junior pass. It means what? Nothing to do with what? With experience. What soft skills? They are asking you. Sorry, they are interviewing you And soft skills? What does it mean? No soft skills at all. The answer is what? The answer is A. What is the probability here for the correct answer? Probability to pick up the correct answer. This probability percent. 20%. Why 20%? Because I have 5 options. If your exam is 4 options, two of them, nothing related to subject, and the other 2 is related to subject. See, but actually is 25% because you don't know. You will go to your exam without what? Without preparation. صح ولا لا؟ يبقى now is what? Now it's 25%. Correct? If you are prepare your emotionally and mindset about this analysis and all these numbers and prepare after certain hours, your mindset now and emotionally prepare. You just need what? You just need you prepare yourself emotionally for this such exams with what? Little refreshment, and I will give you injection for exam and you'll pass the exam. Don't worry about it. Let's go back, come back to our numbers. Again, numbers. Still. Okay, what's the difference between an accountant and an engineer? Both of you are dealing with numbers. What's the difference? What's the difference? We are feeling numbers more than accountants. Why? Signboard. 3 multiply 5 meter. Built on a frame. The foundation for it is 3 meter multiply 3 meter, depths 2 meter. Is this correct? Or this is, what about the foundation? What you feel about the foundation? I told you the foundation is 3 multiply 5, sorry, 3 multiply 4, depths 1.5. Signboard itself is 3 multiply 5. Are this foundation something now or not? I already, we have engineer guys or not? Yeah. We have signboard. The signboard is 3 multiply 5. 3 multiply 5. It will be already fixed on a frame. This frame, it will fix on a foundation. The 3 multiply 4, the depth is 1.5. Is logic. What about in Qatar? In Qatar here. In Qatar. We are working in Qatar. حلو قوي. I'm asking you now. Perfect. Over. The foundation is 3 multiply 4. 3 raft foundation. 3 multiply 4. The depth is 1.5. What you are going to feel about this number? What you are going to feel about these numbers? Over design. Correct. This is not logical. I am going to build a signboard, and of course, they are not even. It's ground floor, first floor, and second floor. The strap foundation is 80 multiply 100 depths. Why? This is logic. This is the difference between accountant and engineer. We are working numbers. All our work is what? Numbers. But we are feeling numbers more than accountant. Correct or not? This is what we have to enhance. Feeling the numbers. Feeling the numbers. Our exam, feeling the numbers. 2 minutes, 13 seconds. 4 options. 25% to score without any knowledge. Without any knowledge. Carry on. Time. حلو out. Second one. Use your logic and engineering sense. Type. حلو. The answer is A. Type. Number 2. Use by your logic and your engineering sense to answer these questions. Let us see. A human are fact. We have three facts. 1, 2, 3. Humans are mammals, and some humans are engineers. Engineers build houses. If the above statement are facts, which of the following can be logically inferred? Or mammals build houses, engineers are mammals, some humans are not engineers. It will not come to our exam. It will not come to our exam, but I'm just to prepare you. I am right your mindset. Number 3. Would pass the exam from them. Inshallah. Which one? You choose. Statement number 3, well, statement number 2, well, some engineers we have some fun guys now. We have some fun. The answer. Option B, engineers are mammals. Of course. Of course. 100%. Sorry, 100%. Now we are birds. The answer is 3. The answer is statement number 3. Some humans are not engineers. The answer is B. But not come to our exam. It will not. It will not come to our exam. Have some questions and the problems is out from civil engineering. Some of them is out from civil engineering. We have to use what? So what? So that what? 30 hours material you are going to have, and with minimum effort, I am trying to prepare all of you with minimum effort to cross a bridge. This is my okay. Why there UPDA? Why? We discussed before from a while ago, because Qatar have to comply with Qatar visions. What? Qatar have visions? How? 2030, this is absolutely correct. What else? Qatar deserve the best. Saying that deserve the best. Correct? What? Yes. Deserve the best. Okay, perfect. Okay, Qatar deserves the best, and the Corniche is very best. Okay. Okay, so we are what? We are part from the vision in quality assurance, national quality assurance. We need to make sure that we do the work for yeah. Anyway, let's come back to the point. Okay. We are the engineers part from the plan implementation. Correct or not? Agreed? طب حلو قوي. Don't what? It was a percentage. 52%. 52%. 14 over 27. Okay. 4 option. Sometimes 5 option. Your probability is what? How many questions by probability كده وزود knowledge. If I will go now to the exam without studying, what is the probability to score? Is 25% multiply 27, صح? divided 100 is equal to 5. 6.5 divided 7 is equal what? Is equal what? I have, but I forgot. Is equal 15.7%. I can score 15.7% without what? Without, if even you are mechanical engineer, you are not engineer at all. I am not engineer at all. Okay, consider about whatever you are, and you went to this exam, score 0.7%. Imagine what an exam. It's beautiful. Assume I will give you 10. Sorry. Assume I am going to give you 10 number problems and questions in your hand. This case, what you are going to do? I was thinking. Assume, I'm giving assumption now. Assume, I told you, go to your exam and you have 10 in your pocket. Four. You don't need guys, I will give you 10 from 27. I will give you 10. Correct? So what? I will give you. Oh. I'm giving you 37% from your through the 30 hours. From the 30 hours, you are going to have 30% score in your pocket. Ready? What you think now? You happy? What I think, thinking are you? What are you thinking? Go back. Let's go for number 4. Number 4. What is your competency? Whatever you are working now, I am civil engineer. I need to do whatever you are. What engineer, whatever you are outside of this door, and you are civil engineer. We are civil engineer. We will start with structure analysis. Structure analysis, bending moment diagram, shear force diagram. I will bring the whiteboard here, and you will have a forces too. Analysis, external force, internal force. Let us go back. Let's go back for a minimum knowledge. We cannot finish the structure analysis. We cannot finish project management in 6 hours, correct? But we will give you the knowledge, and don't forget there is 10 numbers. Very important. Okay. Is your competency now is what? I am civil engineer. You need to prove it. Prove it. You need to prove it. Correct? That. Oh, 27 is 1 hour and 2 minutes 13 seconds. Option near to each other, to near to. I won't board here one by. Near to the correct, near to the subject, related to subject, and the other two is out. I think after this. I wish so. Okay, Mr. UPDA, it's what? It's 27 number questions. Your score is 14 over 2%. What? 50. Go ahead. 52%. خلاص. Put yourself 52%. I need as the exam with minimum 14. 7. Okay. Total number of questions coming from project management and general knowledge is 9 to 11. Say 10. 10, 27, well, 39%. It's not related to civil engineering. It's not related to civil engineering. Project management is not related to civil engineering. Is it related? No. Civil engineering, we have 9 to 11 problems and questions coming from what? Coming from these areas, general knowledge and project management. When is equal 37%. Wow. With with what? 15.7, I will cross the bridge. Yalla. So now, do you have the skills of project management? Through the experience, guys, the senior guys here, they will. What does mean scope? Project scope. How to manage scope. We discuss about it. But new number. Analysis 3 to 5 means what? Means average 4 divided 27 is what? 15%. Allah, يبقى 15%. 37% is equal to 41%. What else? What else? I have 2 to 3 soil mechanics. Means what? 2 over 27 is equal what? Equal 7% plus 15% plus 30, 59%. See? Numbers. You can cross examine. Correct now, huh? Mr. Senior. Still, your mindset just need to adjust it. How you are going to catch your exam? Ask yourself. How I am going to catch my exam? Everything without catching, you will not do it. How I'm going to catch my exam? صح كده? Everybody should be what? This room have his own technique, strategy, message, mindset. Different from engineer to engineer. صح ولا لا? Time even, effort he will dedicate. Correct or not? صح? So put yourself كده. Ask yourself, how I'm going to catch my exam? I'm going to help all of you. All of you, I'm going to help. Okay, right. Let us go for what is the strategy now to be UPDA certified and prove your competency. This is the questions now. This is everyone to build strategy. You already built or not yet? Why? Because you don't have that analysis. You don't have that analysis because before you come here, if you have this data, you are going to build strategy. Correct or not? So, correct. You don't know that the general and project management number questions and the problem is 9 to 11. You don't know. If you know, you will build. Why here? Oh. and to learn and to learn. Now this is the questions now how you will pass MMUP exam from first attempt. Inshallah you will pass, all of you. Let us go for Green International. What will do for you and what you will do for yourself. Green International have some weight. My weight is, give me a percentage number. My weight as Yasser through the 30 hours Give me weight. I am going to teach, while I'm going to do an instructor, while I am trainer, I am professor, while what? Describe. Describe it. Tell me, I am professor? No. Trainer? It's better coaching you. I'm going to coach all of you. It's not trainer is perfect, but more coach is more effective. I'm going to coaching you. You're number one, coaching you. How? By yourself, to be in the exam mood. This is very important. Exam mood. This is very important. You are fucking. So why you go to the exam? The exam failed. But if you already put yourself in the exam mood, which is already started now, started now, all of you, you will go to the exam. This is my mission, to put you in the exam mood. Correct? Number two, emotionally, through emotional intelligence technique, you will love. Let us love what we are going to do now. From now until 30 hours, we are going to have a lot of interesting and fun subject and discussion. We are going to have a lot. We will love a lot, and we are enjoying. We will enjoy a lot. 30 hours with knowledge. I will share all my knowledge and my experience to all of you. So through this 30 hours, you will love what you are doing now and how you will manage your exam time. This is very important. Assume now you are going to go to the exam. What you are going to do? Ask yourself, tomorrow is my exam. How I'm going to manage my exam time? Not yet. Through yeah, I have to give an example. Because actually, your exam, if next week, for sure, 100% you are going to think about it. But I'm just to give you unlogic as tomorrow is your exam, and you are here. Well, واحنا كمان. طيب, through the emotional, okay, let us see number three, potentially guide you. What are your strengths? Every engineer in this room have strengths. Not you, no need, yes, correct. But if you are site engineer, you and coming for you a problem related to scheduling, network, sabah helpful. Good morning in the evening. Okay, so potentially now look inside yourself. Everyone, look inside yourself. Where are my strengths? My strengths in structure, my strengths in project management. This is Green International will give you. Through what? Through 60 hours, inshallah. And don't forget that I'm going to give you. Very important. After because I will give this, you will run. Woo! Okay. You will woo. I will not give. If I will give, why shall you are here now? Correct? Right. Let us see, guys. Your strategy as a civil engineer is what? Enhance your civil engineering sense. So you can enhance your knowledge in 30 hours. Already studying 5 years. Huh? You think after I'm going to cover all the 7? Come on. No, of course not. You enhance your feeling to numbers. to numbers, feeling to numbers. Okay? Grab this opportunity to feel the art of civil engineering and project management knowledge. Why? Because we have 9 to 11 problems and questions related to what? Project management. With your hand. Your easy. Okay, structure analysis or structure analysis. Oh, nightmare. Next, structure analysis. Okay. And focusing in areas which you never work. Yani, if I am working as a planning and مثلا as a planning engineer or QAQ engineer, whatever, planning manager, whatever, QC manager, management knowledge. Okay, very good. I'm going to build structure. To focus on structure because plus project management is what? 10 plus 4 is equal 14. 14 over 27 is 52%. صباح الفل. With injection plus صباح الفل. Okay. Your practice makes perfect as well. Through what? Through our website, we have the number of questions that practice. And at a number of questions coming. Give. Bring it next Thursday. Some of them coming from previous exam. So you are going to practice what? From the same of previous exam. You practice makes perfect. Correct? You are going to do it through the classroom, through the ways. We have 60 hours, we are going to do it away. I will give you everything now because next class will not come. Okay. You are now, it's 27 number questions only, and you can pass if you get 14 over 27 score. How I'm going to catch my exam? Oh, this is very important. Okay. Right. Let us see now. Mr. UPDA, what you have to do now, you already went to green. You already came to green. Correct? We are green. No, we are in green now. Right. Let's see. Civil engineering knowledge education. Correct? For any project. For any civil project. This project have stages or not? Our course. Right. We have any stage for any civil engineering project. Stages we have. Is pre-design, correct? Correct. Design. Pre. But post construction. Correct? This is the 5 phases for any project all over the world. Project start with design. وبعدين ايه design. وبعدين pre construction. وبعدين construction. وبعدين post construction. Correct? The 5 phases we have here, this is our exam. يبقى now, if I told you now 9 to 11, 9 to 11, where it comes, which stages I'm going to have? Stage number 1, pre-design, business need, business case, money-wise. Questions coming to is money-wise, numbers. Okay, design for me, no. Design for me, a column, no. But what structure analysis for what? Give me a reaction. Give me maximum moment. Okay. I'm going to have project need, business need, and the business case, general discussion. We are going to have material, concrete, steel, wood, and structure analysis, soil mechanics, foundation, traffic and roads, and surveying. and all other knowledge. And here we have what? Bidding stage, awarding contract, project process, contract type. And we have what? In construction. He will ask you about business statement, how you want to do the work. No. And cost management and all the claims, about the total type of contract, quality management, and other project management areas. And in the end, we have what? General discussion about authority approval, services, and the connection. Your exam from this part, post construction and the design, sorry, post construction and pre-construction and pre-design phase, we have 9 to 11. 1, 2, 3, 9 to 11. But design is 17. 9 to 11, we have لإما 19 to 17, 16. يبقى 16 to 19 in these areas, in roads and traffics, in structure analysis, influence and survey. If we are discussed from what we said 9 to 11 and the project management. And now I have 18 to 16. Correct? You 16 to 18 is what? Structure analysis and mechanics. All. I told you now. At your exam, structure 3 to 5, soil mechanics 2 to 3, traffic 2 to 3, street 1 to 2. Now I'm giving you weights now. Let us go now. This already I give you about the course outline and your exam outline as well. The exam built up of course outline as well. Let us go for the type of questions you are going to see and you are going to face in your exam. Let us see practice now. Well, let's have number 5. Ariel is telling you now. Number 1, let us see the practice. Practice makes perfect. Be careful. Very important. If I have this type of problems and the questions, let us see how you are going to solve it. As I told you from a while ago, you have 2 minutes, 30 seconds, correct? This type of problems and the questions. Construction work should begin. This is the questions you are going to have in your exam. The same. Everything type. What is the answer? Don't tell me back. Did you? I need 2 minutes, 13 seconds. لا see. E. B. C. B. Guys. How many seconds? How many seconds? How many? See? But the way our exam us where we can of construction permit. Certified. Oh my God. Some of them I started without building permits. Some of them. Some of them a lot, some of them. Yes. But this is out of record. Now the answer is B, correct? We have here the second one. Okay. What is the type of bond guarantees that if contractor goes broke on a project, the surety will pay the necessary amount to complete the job? We have 4 options. 4 options. Okay. 4 options. Okay. Just to make that. See, very simple. You can pick up the answer or not. Very, yeah. Easy, صح? Did you answer it? طب write it down the answer. 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 Okay, write it down the answer. Write it down the answer. Write it down the answer. A? A. Write it down the answer. Okay. I'm sorry. Ah, yes. See, I don't know why. But here. The board, the board.
Cannot see the D.
Ah, see? You can see the D. Okay. Okay. Here. I will tell you, all of you. Bid bond. And your exam, it will be coming the same spelling. Bid. B-E-D. It's not B-I-D. يبقى مثلا could be what? Share bond. ولا table bond. ولا James bond. What? Whatever. Any bond. Okay. Second option. I'm just telling you, all of you, I'm telling you, all of you, is performance bond. حلو. جميل. Third one, C, acceptance bond. Fourth one is payment bond. You forgot. That's I told you. There is two options. Is near to subject. There is two options here, near to subject. And there is another two option is not related to what? To subject. يعني البيد Mr. Bid ولا Mr. James bond is out of discussion, صح? And acceptance as well. And acceptance as well. I have two options now. Okay, I forgot to tell you, there is what? There is keywords in your exam. There is key words, magic words, key words. What is the key words here? What is the answer? I don't see the answer. What is the answer? Okay, perfect. Okay, what is the answer? See, that is the answer. Perfect. What's the answer? Huh? What's the answer? Eh? B. Tell me. Tell me A ولا B ولا C ولا D. B. طيب B. طيب C بقى. C. I told you from a while ago. There is what? Keywords. Ghost broke. What does mean ghost broke? Ghost broke means what? I cannot pay my liability. I have a problem in cash flow. Insufficient. I cannot pay my liability, but I could be ahead of the plan, ahead of schedule. Correct or not? Did I tell you now you are behind schedule? No, you ghost broke. Right, number one. What else? The surety. What does mean surety? Is bank ولا insurance? Insurance company will pay what? The necessary amount. For whom? To the client. And the client give it to whom? Who is paying the fees for the insurance? Mr. Contractor. This is out of what? This is out of Qatar. Nothing here related to payment bond in Qatar here. If they have national project like underground train, this is a rails project, they have this bond. They ask aside of performance bond to have what? Payment bond. In case this company failed to pay the supplier all over the world or what here, their liabilities, they can what? They can get from the insurance this amount of money and give it to the client will pay it for the subcontractor and even the staff, even the labor, to pay the necessary amount, to pay them, and then from the contractor to do what? To recover this liability against another insurance. And performance bond is what? Is not related to what? Not related to subject. And in our website, again, I will repeat, and after 3 months from now, some engineer in our website, the answer is B. Is wrong. The answer is D. This is FEDIC. This is FEDIC. Is not related to Qatar. This is FEDIC, unfortunately. Why? Because our exam extracted, some people here working in Qatar here extracted from another textbook and from another institute, and gathering كده about your exam. Yalla. And yalla, go to your exam. This is civil engineer. Yalla. Okay. Now the answer, you already now convinced or not? The answer is what? Payment bond. We don't have payment bond in our projects, current projects. Now we have LAM advanced bond, LAM performance bond, both of them. That's it. And insurance, normal insurance. We have no insurance. All of us aware about that one. Like. Number 3. Sand drains are used to help in compacting of sand layer, while increase bearing capacity of dry backfill, while enhance the permeability of rock masses, while accelerate the consolidation process, decreasing soil volume. This type of sand drains is a technique to improve soil properties, and we are using in silty clay and clay. I give you a hint now. We have silty clay soil and the clay soil. We are using this type of technique to improve this type of soil, silty clay and clay. Okay? And we have 2 types of improving technique. One of them compaction and one of them consolidation. Okay? Compaction is dynamic, but consolidation is static. Simple like that. Which is the answer I'm going to go? Wallahi, I told you guys, go to the exam tomorrow. Yes, its answer is D. Accelerate the consolidation. This is a static technique. Sand range is a static technique. We will go. This is a minimum knowledge I need to know in what? In our exam and 30 hours trip. We will go have all. We will have all. The answer is D. I'm not going to just only go for type 5 or 7, and you will go. And the next class could be Sunday or Thursday. I will start tomorrow to confirm, because Thursday I have very important subject to do, and some issue meeting I have to do it. I will cancel it. I will mention. I will tell all of you in the WhatsApp. We will meet after tomorrow, or otherwise we will meet Sunday. But I will share with all of you material. This material printed hard copy and bring to your class, whatever Thursday and whatever Sunday. Okay? And we'll start the next class. Sorry, structure analysis, 6 hours. Structure analysis. Now Sunday, Tuesday, or Thursday and Sunday, we'll close the chapter. Now, number 4. Assembly supported beam, assembly supported truss is loaded as shown. We have truss. This truss loaded with what? Loaded with 2 concentrated load, 100 kips and 100 kips in joint. This joint, you have already all the joints. And these joints have members A, or member B, or member C. Assembly supported truss, assembly supported, we have roller support and hinged roller, both of them is hinged support. Assembly supported truss is loaded as shown in the figure. The loads keeps foot-pound-second units, imperial units. Imperial units. We have 80 to 90%. Total number of problems have these units, foot-pound-second. Standard units, 10 to 20%. if you have 10 number problems in your exam, you can expect what 8 by foot pound second and 2 by standard units اللي هي meter kilogram. You understand what I mean, guys? We have how many standard we have? We have 3 standards. The standard units, والفرنش units, والبريتش units. metric, foot pound, جرام, meter second. البريتش اللي هي foot pound second. الستاندرد units meter kilogram second. So in our exam we have standard units and foot pound second. These 2 standard units we are going to have 10% to 20% goes for standard units. 80% to 90% goes for foot pound second. Inch, foot, yard. I told you they are extra. We are working in inch. In Qatar, we are working in foot. But our exam. Anyway, the answer is what? The forces, perfect. The forces in B and C is what? Did we need to study structure analysis? Yes. Did you need to analysis? Yes. Yeah. Tell me. If I told you now, look to the board here. If you all of you look for the board here. I have member A. This member A, how many joint have? How many joint? 2 joint, upper joint and lower joint, correct? The lower joint, how many members? 1, 2, 3. The upper joint, how many members? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct? There is a rule, we call it 0 force member rule, interest, telling you what? This rule telling you what? This rule tell, but if you have this minimum knowledge, I told you, if you have minimum knowledge, I told you now minimum knowledge. Is this rule telling you what? If you have a joint, a joint have 4 conditions. Let us see. Where is the joint I'm talking? I'm talking about لا إما this joint, لا إما this joint, correct or not? Maybe the upper joint. لا, I am telling now, a joint have 3 members. Now I am talking about what? I'm talking about lower. I said 3 members. Your own eyes were lower ولا upper? Lower. صح كده? 3 members. Okay. And 2 of these members are collinear. يبقى second condition. Means what? This member and this member, all of them straight at 180 degrees, correct or not? يبقى this is the second condition. What else? The third condition. There is any force in this joint. In this joint, no. Are this joint on support? يبقى the third member 0. يبقى A is 0. If you have this knowledge, يبقى your answer is what? I'm talking about A, and he's asking about B and C. Guys, I'm talking about A now. يبقى member A is what? طيب, compare بقى apple to apple. You have joint. How many members now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. حلو قوي. And they have another joint. 1, 2, 3, and apply the condition. Perfect. Guys, this joint, how many members? 2 of them collinear. No external force. No support. يبقى المember B is 0. If even there is a force is equal 100 down. I told you, look for the joint is have what? 3 members. يبقى المember B is 0 or not? طيب المember C بقى. I told you يا راجل المember C الجوينت have 100. يبقى 100. The answer is B. Correct, guys. The answer is B. Easy or not easy? With minimum knowledge, and the practice makes perfect, you are going to answer all the problems such as cases easy. You understand what I mean, guys? I don't need 2 minutes, 13 seconds. If just only practice yourself and you already practice through the hour refreshment, our 30 hours, you are going to answer these questions in exactly 30 seconds. 30 seconds only you need. Time. The answer is B. The answer is B. What is it? Allah, what happened to the, because the screen have some problems. Projector have problems here. Anyway, we'll start with the board from next class until the end. We'll bring the board here until the end. We'll not use the screen. The end, the board. Right. Number 5. أيوة. A formal CBM analysis for a project shows the planned costs to date are $85,000 and the accounting reports charges are $85,000 for work value of $70,000. The cost and schedule status for this project are most nearly as what? This is the last questions we will discuss, and we will meet لإما Thursday or Sunday as I told you. Right. Let us see why in your car have a speed gauge, and why in your car have fuel gauge. Ask yourself why. Perfect. To monitor. First to monitor, then to control. Monitor, then to assume كده the 2 gauges they are not working and you are driving in Salwa Road. It's happened for me from 3 days back. The fuel tanks was empty. Yes, sir. Fill. No, wait. Yes, sir. Fill. No, wait. Yes, sir. Fill. No, wait. Just wait. In the end, I'm driving my car. In the entrance, my office building, the car stopped. Alhamdulillah, thank you, God. In the entrance. Imagine, you are driving the car without gauge at all, without gauge. The gauge is already stuck in the middle. And yes, salam, still I have. No. And in Salwa Road, in the middle of the road, or in the signal. I'm in the middle of the signal. Would you stop? Your feel. What you are going to feel? Answer. Okay. What? Okay. What you are going to feel? Problems. Correct? But now the gauge, purpose of the gauge is what? To monitor and control. We have in our project 2 gauge. One of them schedule performance indicator. The second one is post performance indicator. These 2 gauges, put them in the front of you, and I am ahead. I am behind. I am over budget. I am under budget. How? We have schedule performance indicator, SPI, equal what? Equal earned value, the work you already achieved, divided your value. Your achievement here is what? Your achievement is $70,000. صح? Critical path methods is a technique, schedule type for our construction projects. This is what we use it in our construction projects. Critical path methods. And the critical path methods, we have critical activities and we have not critical activities, and we are cost loading these activities. Means every week, every day, we can have the planned value for our plan. But your achievement is different story. Your achievement is different story. You compare your achievement to the plan. Now you can say what I have already planned value. Where is the planned value? Planned cost to date is $80,000. I have planned value here, correct? What is your achievement? Earned value 70. يبقى 70 divided 85 less than 1 or equal 1 or more than 1. Less than 1 يبقى I am behind. يبقى I am behind. I am behind. يبقى I am behind now. يبقى now ahead يبقى wrong. يبقى two option is what? Out. طب حلو. Let us come back to the second one. If you are 1, you are happy. If more than 1, you are most happy. If you are less than 1, cry. Okay? Right. Your budget back. Your cost. Your cost. How much your cost? As well, he confused. He want to confuse you. He want to confuse you. He want to confuse you here. Okay, why? Because there is every single day I can press a button كده. I need how much my liability, how much I'm going to pay for work achieved, how much I'm going to pay for work achieved. I'm going to pay what? 85,000 for work achieved. How much? 70. Logically كده losing. صح? If I'm already achieved value of work 70, I'm going to pay for it 85. صباح الفل. Close the company and go home. Why I'm correct or not? يبقى now CPI cost performance indicator equal what? The second gauge. The second gauge is equal what? Equal الwork achieved value did your actual cost اللي هي 70 divided 85 equal what? Less than 1. You are over budget. طب is equal 1 as budgeted. لو more than 1 يا سلام. More than 1 I am under budget. I am saving. I am saving. My boss will give me bonus in the project. In the end, you are laughing because we are suffering. You are work, saving. In the end, thank you very much. Your salary delayed after 3 months. Thank you very much. Anyways, the answer is what now? Now you are behind schedule and over budget. Easy now, guys. See, this type of knowledge, you don't need that much to study hard, but just to study smart. Inshallah, we'll meet what? And we'll meet in لإما Thursday, لإما Sunday. I will announce tomorrow in our WhatsApp, and I will share the plan, the course outline plans and schedule, and all the slides I told you now to print and everything. So in our WhatsApp tomorrow, you'll have a lot of information. Read all whatever I'm going to send, for what I'm going to send. After 30 hours from now, you can do your exam with the injections. And that's the exam. See you guys in, inshallah, لإما Thursday, لإما Sunday. Thank you very much. Next class, inshallah, one by one, I will introduce himself for me, and let us enjoy structure analysis. See you guys. Online class. I wish all of you to come to the classroom next class, inshallah. Thank you very much. See you.